Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Thursday morning forecast update. And our October heat wave will continue today, but we do have a pair of cold fronts on the way soon, and we should begin to see the heat ease a little bit for some areas tomorrow, but for everybody as we move into the upcoming weekend. But it should be pretty toasty again today, very similar to yesterday's. Your highs will likely reach the upper 80s. We're not quite in record territory. The record high for Shreveport is 94. For Texarkana, it's about 96 degrees, so it could be a little worse, but still a very hot afternoon for us. But it's not the summer months, so the heat will kind of be limited to that 2 to 5 p.m. window today. It should be very comfortable through the morning. We'll likely see a little bit of sunrise fog once again in some locations. The rest of us just kind of dealing with mostly sunny skies this morning and just kind of that mix of sun and clouds through the afternoon, but it will be a fairly hot, humid afternoon for us today. So if you have any outdoor plans, again, we'll start to feel that heat a little bit after about 1:30, 2 o'clock this afternoon. Visibility looks to be in pretty good shape for the time being, but we are seeing the numbers now drop. I-49 through Natchitoches, also north of I-30 into Queen, some areas that saw some of that fog set up early yesterday morning, and the ground's dried out a little bit from the past few days, so we don't expect the fog to be quite as dense as it was the past few days, but there will be a little bit of patchy fog for the morning commute. We're running a little bit warmer this morning with temperatures currently in the mid to upper 60s, but it still feels pretty nice across the Arklatex today. Look across the country. Again, all the weather is across the northern half of the country where the jet stream is set up right now. We're just kind of quiet. That warm Gulf air making its way into the region, which is why we're dealing with some of this heat. But our next cold front now making its way through the Rocky Mountain states. This is the cold front that will move in tomorrow and potentially bring a little bit of rain, as well as that temperature drop late tomorrow and into Saturday. You can see that surge of cooler air, which is why that jet stream dips there in the Rocky Mountains. So for us today, we do not expect to see any rain. Fairly light southeast breeze. Notice FUTURECAST does pop up a few showers off the Gulf of Mexico, so it is hinting that we could see some rain fairly close to the region, but I've just left it out of our forecast today. If it were to occur, it'd be a very quick moving shower, wouldn't have much of an impact on your day, so just partly cloudy. Clouds will increase tonight, and you see our cold front beginning to move in north of I-30 fairly close to daybreak tomorrow. There's no severe weather threat here, but we very well could see a thunderstorm or two throughout the day. Front will be down through Texarkana, so you'll start to feel some cooler air by about lunchtime on Friday in Texarkana, and likely by the commute home on Friday in Shreveport-Bossier. It looks like the cold front will maybe bring a little bit of rain and perhaps that cooler weather by Friday evening across the Shreveport-Bossier area. And if you are headed out to some of the football games, it looks like most of the rain will be out of here Friday evening, Friday night, but we do have just the isolated chance of a lingering shower Friday night into Saturday morning, but we should start to clear out. May have some clouds early Saturday, but we should see some late day sunshine. So if you do have outdoor plans this weekend, those should be just fine. A look at the rainfall totals. Won't be a big rainmaker for us, as we could see maybe a quarter to a half inch at most where the thunderstorms do develop, and your 7-day forecast will show you a pretty nice weekend. 70s on Saturday. Start to warm things up ahead of our next cold front on Sunday. We do have that cold front settling into the region late Monday, early Tuesday, so we will see some rain across the northern Arklatex on Monday. Then that rain chance will increase Tuesday and especially Wednesday, and your highs should drop into the 60s for the middle of next week. Right now, a lot of the forecast models hinting at maybe 1 to 3 inches of rain Monday through Wednesday, and we should begin to dry out, get a lot of sunshine back, but we'll still have the cool air in place next Thursday and Friday.